Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the book back exercise of the lesson Jatin's Sandal. Okay. Number the sentences to arrange them in the order of events in the story. First, Jatin's father got him a new pair of sandals and warned him not to tear them. Second, at first, Jatin was very careful with his new sandals. Third, but he soon forgot his father's warning and within a month tore his new sandals. Fifth, fourth, jumping down the stairs 3 steps at a time, Jatin slipped and was taken to a strange land. Here, cobbler and tailors taught him how to mend his torn shoes and shirt. Next, the tailors offered Jatin pencils to chew on. It was the boy's kite which finally rescued him and brought him home. Understood? Next, answer the following questions in brief. Jatin was careless boy. Give two examples from the story to support this statement. Jatin did not take care of the things. He used to spoil his things regularly. He needed new shoes every month, and his books had torn covers, and his pencils were chewed at the end. Why was Jatin scared after returning home from school? Jatin was scared because he had torn his new clothes while climbing a tree, and his sandals were also badly damaged. He knew his fathers would be angry. Explain the strange incident that took place when Jatin was climbing down the stairs. When Jatin jumped down the stairs, something strange happened. The ground seemed to slip away, and his stone sandals carried him into the sky. He then found himself in a strange land where cobblers were sitting all around. Next, why did cobblers take Jatin to a five-storied building? The cobblers took Jatin to the five-storied building to teach him how to climb stairs properly and to show him the importance of being careful and disciplined. He had to go one step at a time, and if he skipped a step, he had to start again. Who came to help Jatin in the land of cobblers and tailors, and why? The kite that Jatin had repaired came to help him because he had taken good care of it earlier. What change did Jatin's mother notice him after he fell down the stairs? Jatin's mother noticed that he stopped rushing or jumping up and down the stairs and he became much more careful with his belongings. Understood? Next, vocabulary. Fill in the blanks with the given options. You may have to make some changes. One has been done for you, one already is there. Next, how much? How much money did mother save last year? It's a uncountable. Sugar. Sugar is uncountable. How many? So she's talking about stamps. It's a countable. Next, dash cloth did you buy to make the curtains? How? How much? Countable. Dash mangoes did the farmer pluck today? How many? Countable. Okay, understood. Next, complete the words with the LE, EL, or AL. TAL, TALE, tail. Okay. Candle, CANDLE. Next, towel, TOWEL, towel. Single, SINGLE, single. Next, medal, MEDAL. Next, bubble, BUBBLE. Understood? For this, we finished our Jatin sandal. Tomorrow, we will see secret for two. Okay? Thank you.